Cooking Apa.
Hi, this is Cooking Apa. This morning actually, I managed to buy a few pieces of very fresh small prawn fruit from my local wet market. So I'm going to just deep fry them, and that is good enough. It will be super fragrant, and you'll be surprised after you deep fry them. It's not the meat that tastes really the best. It's actually the one at the sides, all the fins and stuff. And it's very easy to. It's actually very easy to prep the fish. After you wash the fish, make few slits on the fish body like this, and then we're just going to marinate it with some fine salt, and we can just deep fry after that. So first of all, you prepare a wok or a deeper pan. I'm using a deeper pan today. Give it some oil, and next thing is to heat up this oil until smoking point, meaning when you start see smoking coming out from the smoke from the oil itself. That is at least 180 degrees Celsius and above. To reduce the splattering, oil splattering, you want to use a kitchen towel to wipe dry the fish, the surface of the fish, so that it won't splatter as much. Right, not sure if you can start seeing some smoke coming out from the oil itself. Now, if you are scared, you can use a long spatula to help you to put in the fish here at length, so that you won't get splattered as much. So the first thing after you put in the fish is not to touch it. Just let it fry, and allow the bottom crust to form, which will take about 1 to 2 minutes. Don't touch it for the first 1 to 2 minutes, and keep the temperature at least medium high and above. This is after approximately first 2 minutes. My tongue has a little bit of water. Ooh. No good to use a tongue. Let me use a spoon and a ladle. Okay, better. So I'm going to give another side another 2 minutes. So 2 plus 2, and probably plus another 1 to 2. This is after the second 2 minutes. Right, it's basically almost done. I just want to give it another 1-2 minutes just to get the kind of brown that I'm looking for. Alright, this is after another 1 minute. So total frying time approximately 6 minutes, for each fish. I can actually take it out and put the fish aside on an oil absorbing paper. Alright, so here's my very simple deep fried black prawn fruit, and I'm going to eat it with some chili padi and light soy sauce dipping sauce. So if you like my very simple video, do share my video on Facebook. Oh, we are eating this together with some white porridge. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page, or click like and follow button. Follow Apa on Instagram, and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.